In the previous video we have created a Springboot project, right? Now I'm going to tell, if you click on this one, let's say it is everything is created, right? If you click on this one, so it will run the project. The application will be start automatically. The Springboot project will be started automatically. Let me minimize this from this side. Okay, if you see this one, it is created the project. Okay, and if it is running, it is running on the server. Spring Web, the advantage is that earlier versions of the Spring, what we need to create the application, and we need to build the jar, and we need to place this jar in the Tomcat server, Apache server. But in Spring Boot, the advantage is that it is creating its own server. If you see here, even it will show like in which server it is created. Started let's see, Tomcat started on port 8080, so it is automatically creating the Tomcat server for us. Okay, and where it is open on the port 8080. Now let me check whether it is created or not. So now what we will do, so I'm opening the Chrome browser and local host 8080, right? I'm entering 8080. So it is showing that the project is created. It is showing the white label error page 8080. Okay, why the black screen? Okay, now because of this I have added one of the thing, it is showing like that. So this is the white page error. Okay,